Take a look at the first table on the screen. As you can see, the title Products is centered along the cells A1, B1, and C1. I click cell C1. And the cells A1, B1, and C1 get selected as if they were a single cell. This is because the cells have been merged. To merge cells, follow the steps shown on the screen. I will follow these steps to merge cells E1, F1, and G1 and center the title Products along these cells. First, I select the cells E1, F1, and G1. Second, with the mouse cursor placed on the selected cells, I click the right button of the mouse, and from the floating menu, I select the option Format Cells. Third, I click the tab Alignment. Fourth, I select Merge Cells. Finally, I click OK. As a result, the selected cells have been merged. Now, I just need to center the text across the cells, like this. To unmerge the cells, follow the same steps, and in step 4, unselect the box Merge Cells, like this. As a result, the selected cells have been unmerged. You can also merge cells by using the Merge and Center button under the Home tab. To do this, follow the steps shown on the screen. I will follow these steps to merge the cells E1, F1, and G1 and center the title Products along these cells. First, I select cells E1, F1, and G1. Second, I select the Home tab. Finally, I click the Merge and Center button. As a result, the selected cells have been merged and its contents centered across the merged cells. To unmerge the cells, click the Merge and Center button again, like this. As a result, the selected cells have been unmerged. Now, I will follow the same steps to merge cells E2 and E3 to center the letter A across them, like this. As a result, the letter A has been centered across the merged cells.